Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lindy. This is Lindiorslife and you're back for another one. And today we're doing our hair again. Hopefully you can hear me on the mic, I don't know. But we're doing the hair again. So as you can see, I got a old-ish updo and I'm going to revamp it a little bit. I want to keep this type of diagonal action, but I want it to keep going and kind of like clash up in here. So I wanted to show y'all how I do it. So I'm gonna keep the same parts and just retwist all these side ones, and then this is gonna turn into like a diagonal situation, and then these are gonna so they're gonna join up in here. But yes, that's what we're gonna do. I'm using Shine and Jam and Got to Be Glued. Are these the best options? No, because I had a different gel that worked so much better and lasted longer, but this is what I got, so this is what I'm gonna use. Amen. And then once we get into the half wig of it all, I'm going to use a crochet needle to hook the half wig hair under my hair to give that seamless look, honey. But yeah, let's get the show on the road and get started, okay? Hold on, let me get a little lower for y'all. Some tips and tricks when doing this is definitely you need clips. You need to be able to put some of your hair away so you're not twisting hair into the twist you just parted off. And definitely make sure those parts are clean. It can be very tedious to go back and forth, but it's so helpful. You gotta see, are your parts, like, yeah, your parts can be straight, but is it in the same diagonal as the other one? Because you want to keep that continuity and make it look really cute. Also, what I will say is the Got To Be and the Shine and Jam really aren't the best gel options for this, at least for my hair. It doesn't get it nice and hard and down, if that makes any sense. Like, it's together, but my hair is still a little soft. So yeah, that's something else I would say. If you have like a thicker texture, try a harder gel. That might be better for this type of style. And don't ever forget your rubber bands, okay? A rubber band every single twist. Every single one. And when you're putting on the half wig, clip onto your hair, not necessarily onto the rubber bands because it can hurt. And don't forget to use that crochet needle. All right, y'all, this is the final look. As you can see, your girl is in a new Yeah, you see the little, I love it, actually. I'm very happy I did it. It looks so much better, cuter, cleaner than the last one. This is gonna be my next 2 weeks. Just like this, just like that. And I just really wrap it down. As long as I wrap it down good, we're good. It's a perfect like workout hairstyle. And yeah. And like I said, I use a crochet needle to hook that stuff through. But yeah, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and holla at you. Go down in the DMs, the comment section, and let me know how you feel about this. Bye.